If you have searched for vermicelli or the thin Sevaiya, it is available in Germany. I'm going to show you where. So let's get started. So in my recent trip to Lidl, I found this til kadaif. Maybe I am pronouncing it right. And it was in Arabic and Angabot section, and where you can buy such things. I think I have seen this thing in almost all the Arabic stores, and it is called tel kadaif. It was in a non-refrigerated section, but there is one variety that you can get in refrigerated section. It is maybe called taji kadaif. So I don't know anything about Turkish or Arabic language, and since the script is different, I cannot Google it. But maybe kadaif means something like Sevaiya or vermicelli. If anyone knows Arabic language, then please let me know what does that mean. And taze means fresh, as in Urdu. And tail, I don't know what it is called, but this is something that you can get and you can use to make it the Sevaiya. I had a very nice friend circle in Greifswald. There was a friend who used to bring the sweets which were made from this thing, and it was very tasty. It just tastes like Sevaiya, so you can try this out if you like. Then, if you visit normal German grocery store, you can get this Faden Nestchen or Faden Nudeln, and these are something that you can use as the bombino vermicelli as we get in India. And you should be careful because sometimes these Faden Nestchen have eggs, but this version you see is vegan and it doesn't have any egg, and this is available in Edeka. All you have to do is just boil this and then use it as you use the bombino sevaya. If you want it to be a bit smaller in size, then you should break it beforehand and then you can boil and use it. So that's all for today, and we will meet again with a new topic and a new video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also click the bell icon so that you don't miss any update from me. Also, don't forget to like my videos, and if possible, please share with your friends and family. We will meet again. Bye bye. Bis später.